the use of verb tenses in doing your research is also important. I have noticed in many studies I evaluated that they do not follow the correct tenses in the discussion of the different parts of the research. So I will discuss here how the verb tenses transition from different parts of your research. In the introductory section, of course, introduction should be discussed in the present tense. But if you talk about your plans, you need to use the future tense and past tense if you talk about the results. So let's say, for example, in your proposal, you will say the study will try to investigate. And in the completed research, the verb tense now changes from the future to the past tense. So it says, this study investigated. In the literature review, you can use the past tense or present perfect tense. Let's say, for example, using the past tense, the researchers showed. Using the present perfect tense, the researchers have shown. But I advise you not to mix these tenses. Stay within the chosen tense. Kung past tense ka lahat throughout the discussion of literature review. Present perfect kung present perfect. Hindi pwede yung in one sentence, you will use the past tense, and in other sentences, you will use the present perfect tense. Though the sentence may be grammatically correct, but it is not advisable. In the research methodology, we use the future tense in the proposal because we are trying to explain our plans. But once your study is completed, you change it to past tense. So let's say, for example, in the proposal, the study will use descriptive correlational research design. Once your study is completed, the verb tense now will change to past tense. The study used descriptive correlational research design. In the discussion of results, your findings must use the past tense. But you must use the present tense when presenting your conclusions and recommendations. Modal verbs are used for recommendations because researchers talk about possibilities or possible solutions to the problems. The following are illustrations of the use of verb tenses in presenting the discussion of your result. So the findings use the past tense, that is, findings revealed that. The conclusion use the present tense, this study concludes. The recommendation use the present tense, this study recommends. In conjunction with the modal verb, that training program should. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you very much. God bless and keep safe.